This meat collector here with this sweet Shopee roasting fond bakery. This is a Play-Doh. Let's open the box. This is the base. Instructions. Parts. 4 pounds of Play-Doh. 1 extruder. This parts. Parts. These are not instructions. And some accessories. Now let's build this. First, the base. Let's put this extruder. And let's see this accessory. We had a little knife, 1 cupcake to make our cupcakes. I think this string shooter. 1, 2, 3, 4 feathers. Another decorative and 4 spatula. Molds. Another accessories. And 1 plate. Let's see the Play-Doh. And we got brown, violet of regular Play-Doh, and 2 Play-Doh Plus with hot pink and hot yellow. And now let's start opening this Play-Doh cans. This play set comes with red, yellow, blue, and white Play-Doh. So let's make our switch. When you have any balls, you can give this play set from the dojo. make